See anything? I'm recording our, I got your present and everything. Everybody, this is Troy's present. I just got him. Brand new microwave, never been used. Look how nice it is, not even a scratch on it. Thrown out. Me, came to survive it. Give it to my friend. And look, he's so surprised and shocked. Can you just see that? Surprised and shocked. Look at him in shock, like, whoa, what am I gonna do with this? Oh, right now, we're looking for the plug-in and plug into. And I believe it's a cordless microwave. Did you hear me? A cordless microwave. Look, he's in shock. He doesn't know what to think. We will continue this story on when he figures out what he's gonna do with the microwave. Dun 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 dun. Microwave, Season 1, Episode 1.